Hello everyone, a very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on your respective time zones. I am Anshul Kamble from India and I live in Nagpur, Maharashtra. I am currently 17 years old, and this is my final project for Computer Science 50 CS50 course at Harvard University. I have chosen to make the command line program, and my topic is boredom games. So as we all know, currently the world has transformed into online education, and everything has come on technology and laptops and computers and screens. So people don't get time to find themselves even a breather, as we all are so busy doing our assignments, tuning in projects, attending lectures, and so on. So it becomes very important that we find ourselves a refreshers and soothe our brains so that we are able to perform our capabilities more betterly, and we use our capacities in a more efficient way. So boredom games consist of three games. First, which is the most conventional and game which all enjoyed in our childhood, which is the rock paper scissors game. Second game is the tic tac toe game, uh, which in which people employ different types of tricks to win the game. And the third is a very interestingly intellectual game, which is the riddles, in which people will have to solve riddles based on the presence of mind and knowledge. So we begin with the main file. In the main file, first the intros function is intended to provide a good appearance to the user as soon as he runs the program. Then we validate the input, and depending upon the user's choice, we will call in different functions from different files, and such as game1.c, game2.c, and game3.c. In game1.c, we have the rock paper scissors game. Okay, so the main function is the rock paper scissors, and this game will be played between the player and the computer. In this function, I have taken care of all possibilities uh, of what the player and the computer can play. And to generate a random input from the computer, this is a very interesting thing. I have employed the comp move function, which will always generate a random move for the computer, which will then compete with the move of the player and then determine the final winner accordingly. Next, we have the game2.c, in which we have the tic-tac-toe game. First, the tic-tac-toe grid is made using the grid maker function, which I have designed very intricately to provide a good visual experience to the user. Then the main function here is the check winner function, in which I have taken care of all possible outcomes and to declare the winner as soon as either player 1 or either player 2 completes three consecutive spots in the grid. Okay, and this game is played between two players, so don't forget to bring in a friend. Okay, so we have the game3.c, which is very interesting and funny game of the riddles. I will ask you seven difficult riddles and you will have to answer them. At the end, I will give you, the computer will return you all your points, how much points did you earn and what is your rating. That will help you to analyze yourself, where do you stand in solving riddles. Also, to help people with how to play this game, I have made a help box function which will print all the necessary instructions that the players need to follow while answering the questions. So I hope you all like the coding and the thought process behind the project. So now let's run it once. Make main and let's play the tic-tac-toe game. Okay, okay. So make main backslash main 2. Okay, so this is the output console, and this is due to the function intros that I told you. Now I press 2 again, and this is the tic-tac-toe grid that I was talking about. So player 1 will be represented by X, player 2 by O. So if I put 1, so the player 1's move will be shown over here, and then if I put 3, player 2 moves will be shown over here, and the game continues in this way. So I hope you all enjoyed this project, and it proves to be beneficial to people who currently need it the most, the students, and it helps them to soothe their mind. So thank you very much. Thank you.